For our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world, and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms. In this verse, the Apostle Paul affirms that as believers, our battle is not physical, but spiritual, that both our defensive armor and offensive weapons are spiritual, and that we are up against the kingdom of Satan, which is one of darkness, doom, and destruction. That is why we should continue to pray and even love our enemies, as it is said, we should hate the sin, but not the sinner. But do not worry. John 1:5 says, "The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it." By grace, through faith in the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus Christ, God delivered us from the domain of darkness and transferred us into the kingdom of His beloved Son, from darkness to light. So put on the whole armor of God, that you may be able to stand against the schemes of the devil. Fight evil with righteousness, peace, faith, truth, and salvation. Meditate on God's word regularly, for it is a potent weapon, and pray long and hard, for prayer is critical in warfare. For you were formerly darkness, but now you are light in the Lord. Walk as children of light.